So the ring blanks are already shaped. If you've been following along from the last episodes, you know the drill. Today we're jumping straight into the burning process, which is called Shushugi Ban. The traditional Japanese technique of charring wood to enhance its texture, durability and beauty, but with a twist. Basically, we're carefully scorching the surface of the new ring blanks with a torch to blacken the softer parts of the grain. Then we use a wire brush to remove the burnt softer wood, revealing those natural grooves and ridges. This creates amazing deep texture and contrast that's perfect for filling with resin or other inlay materials. Well, that's the plan. Once you've got good char, let the ring cool naturally. Rapid cooling can cause cracks and warping, especially with yew.
Wow! Yeah!
If you want extra contrast, do a second burn to darken those grooves. Good job, I made 3 blanks, only 1 survived. Don't stop there. Why not watch this video next?